Alright, yep, this is my voice. And, I may sound, a bit nervous in this video because, I'm just, because, this is my first, for the new, subscribers and viewers, they don't know my voice, and, you guys don't, most of you guys, some of you guys don't know my voice. Some of you probably do, probably, maybe not. But, alright, yeah, that's basically the whole video. Sorry that I took long, I was just really nervous. But, alright, we did it. And I always had a microphone, and I was like, what am I gonna do with it if I'm not even using it? So I was like, oh wait, that's done, that's it. I've been recording for 2 months without my microphone. I have to do it right now. So yes, that's basically what I thought before this video. So I decided to upload this. Sorry if you don't like my voice. If you do, then oh my gosh. But yeah, that's basically the whole video. So I guess. Wait, what happens if I wait? What happens to the spider? Oh, that my hand is devours it. Wait, well, goodbye, guys.